So we got a nice new addition here, a nice new series coming at you. It's weightlifting for beginners. Now I know a lot of you might be intimidated to go to the gym, you don't know what you're doing, you don't want to have to waste a bunch of money on a personal trainer. So we're going to take a look at some nice easy workouts you can get into, focusing on good form, not hurting yourself, and you should not get discouraged. Now if you go to the gym for say 3 times, 4 times a week for a month and you're not seeing results, don't get discouraged, because it's consistency that's going to pay off and see results. So one thing you're not want to forget, it's very important to stretch before, during, and after your workouts. So since we're going to be focused today on shoulders and the buttocks area, we're going to do some leg and shoulder stretches. This is a nice one, the windmill. Going backwards, throw in about 20 of those, then go forward. See it? Feels good. Feels good. Loose and limber. You can always take also your fist on the back side of your elbow. See that's stretching that shoulder area out there. And now the other side. Stretch it out. Feeling good. Now, as far as the legs go, they're very basic. You can always find this. Everybody knows this one. Get that inner thigh stretched out and ready for a good workout. Both sides. That. I'm also a big fan of this one. Not everybody can do it, but if you can, I recommend you do. One hand thigh stretch. And back. Sometimes you might put your hand on something. There you go. You want to get those calves stretched out. For example, go like this, put your back foot like that. Both sides, get the calves stretched. So for me, I'm going to start with a 15. Now if you're starting out, you might want to go as low as 10, even for females, as low as 5. These are going to be your shoulder raises. We're going to start on the side. Keep your back straight. Just one motion. You don't want to be throwing it. Just have just a nice form, nice and easy. You never want to do anything you can't do more than 10 times. Now we're going to switch to the front and rotate arms. Instead of the same time, I don't really like doing this. It seems to isolate more when you do one arm at a time. Do what feels good. You don't have to feel like you go to 10. Do it until it feels good, until you feel like you got a good workout. No reason to kill yourself in the gym. Standing flies. We'll go up about 20 here. Nice. Bring it in. Just like you're wrapping your hand around a barrel. Killer shoulder workout. It also helps with the chest. A football coach taught me this. Oh yeah. Bench press. Now this is one of the most popular workouts, one of the oldest workouts. Everybody knows about bench press. First, we're going to talk about what not to do. You never want to throw your back like that. Never arch your back. You're going to hurt yourself very bad. So put on something light, like we talked about. Don't do nothing you can't do more than 8 to 10 times. Space your grip. I like to put my thumbs right at the end of the grip before the bar gets smooth. Go up. Make sure you breathe. Don't hold your breath while you're bench pressing. Nice and easy. Don't try to go too fast either. Don't worry about doing that. Just go nice and slow. Nice and slow. Always make sure you put it down very safely. And watch your head when you come up. You don't want to bang your head when you're coming up from the bench press. Kettlebells. I never use these much, but I ran into a workout I really liked with them. And if we're looking to tighten those buns, it's a really good workout because it's going to work at a little shoulders, little buns, and a little bit of core. The figure 8. Just take your feet about there. under, through, up, under, through, up. 1, 2. Don't go too fast or that weight's going to go flying. So when? Keep in control. Nice and easy. Bend down. Sit that. Figure 8. It's a great workout. Gives you a little bit of cardio too. Now a lot of the girls have been asking how to tighten up the butt. Nobody wants a keister that jiggles. I'm going to take 25s. You might want to go with 15s or 20s. Standing lunges. Down, knee touch the ground. Down, knee touch the ground. Keep your chin up, your back straight. Down, touch the ground. Down, touch the ground. You might want to do 3 sets of 10 of those. Keep doing that a couple times a week. You'll see results. If you want to do a nice workout and not have to worry about the bar, these are called super squats. I'm going to do a 40. Girls, people who just started working out, anyone, 25, 20s, 30. You can also do this with your kettlebell, but I like this better. Feet at shoulder length, back is straight, looking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're feeling good. That's definitely going to get you some results right there. Mike Tyson used to do these all the time. Boom. A pectoral fly. You're going to want to do this to touch up your workout after the bench every time. I set mine on the 4th notch back. It's going to be a bow right back to there. Either side. For me, I'm putting it at 145. You might want to start around 100. Sit down, adjust the seat a little bit so your arms are straight with the grip handles. Pull them in. Nice and easy. This is a killer workout. It's going to touch on muscles in the chest that the bench doesn't focus on as much. Always breathe and never overdo it. We're here to get buff, not hurt ourselves. Now, I quite enjoy both of these. Take your pick. Sometimes I rotate both, one or the other. This one here is a real ass kicker. This one's gonna be a nice, smooth, easy glide. The elliptical, which I prefer over the treadmill because it's easier on those joints, the ankles, the knees, slapping down. This thing is gonna be like going on a nice ski trip, except you're not gonna have to worry about crashing into a tree. Start it up. Nice workout. See, I picked the one with the window view. I'm gonna go quick start. Pause. Enter in your weight. And go. It's nice and easy. See. Now it's always gonna have an option of setting your workout load. I'll go to level 4. It's forward. And then do this for about 3 or 4 minutes, stop, and go backward. Do that for about another 3 or 4 minutes. This will be good for the legs, good for the stomach, good for the core. You're even getting a little light arm workout in there. Now that we got a good idea how the elliptical works. Now this one's really rough. I mean, you might see people doing it. They've probably been doing it for a long time if they're making it look easy. We're gonna hit go. Start, quick start, 2, 1. Start nice and easy. Let's see. And you kick it up to a level you feel comfortable with. So, that was on speed 1, going up to 3. See how 3 works. 6, it's a very fine line between too slow and overdoing it. But, until you do this for 4 or 5 minutes, you're going to be feeling it. I've done it so long I felt like I wanted to puke when I get off. So, let's give you a little example of how fast you can go. Let's get this up to level 10. See, now we're rocking and reeling. throw that into your routine.